Have you ever wanted to animate? I searched on YouTube but couldn't find any easy tutorial. Most of what I saw were just animations, but I couldn't find a tutorial. So I decided to make a beginner's tutorial. I already animated the stickman doing the moves. I'll teach you how to animate RASENGAN. On a new layer with the glow turned on, select your RASENGAN color and draw out the RASENGAN effects. Copy and paste it all through the animation. After copying and pasting the RASENGAN, animate the wind effect rotating around the ball. This shouldn't be hard. Just follow my lead and animate them on ones if you're using 24 frames per second.
Hey, I've got basic animation questions. I need you to reply my comments fast.
Become a member and you'll get a priority reply on every of your comments to my videos.
I want a shout out.
Become a member and you'll get shoutouts regularly on almost all my videos.
I really need you to make this tutorial.
Become a member and I'll make every tutorial you ask. With less than $1, you can unlock these perks and more. Join now! Now we're almost done. We'll repeat the same process for the second scene where he hits the red stickman. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, even your neighbor's cat. Let's create a new glow layer just like the previous one and draw the RASENGAN ball. After drawing the ball, adjust the layer glow to the desired RASENGAN color, which is usually some sort of sky blue color. Let's draw the wind effects. And with that, I think we're done.